Hi guys, this is a very quick video on how to create your own moving average indicator on PineScript in TradingView. So after this video, you will be able to create your own indicator like this. So you can see here the red line is 50 EMA and the yellow line is 200 EMA. So when the 50 EMA has crossed below the 200 EMA, a short signal has generated. And when the red line, which is the 50 EMA, has crossed above yellow line 200 EMA, a long signal is generated. After this video, you will be able to create an indicator like this. So let's get started. So first of all, I will just remove this indicator which is already here. So how to get started? So first what you do here is you go to this Pine editor tab, click it, and you will see a panel here. So what you need to do is you need to start fresh. So press open, go to indicator, press it, and if you have a previously written script, it will ask you to save it. In this case, I will press no. Okay, so now we will expand this. So this part above here is useless, you don't need this. So this part tells the PineScript that you're using version 5, so let it just be there. Okay, now this line tells that this is an indicator script, not a strategy script, which is a different thing. So this declares that it is an indicator. Here you can name your own indicator. So I will name it as EMA indicator. And it is written here plot close. So the plot function is used to plot a series of line or series of data. So here in this case it is plotting close price of each candle. So let's add it to chart and see what's happening here. So you can see here this chart has generated. So this is exactly the close prices of the candles. So we can check here this green candle. Close price here is 17915.05 and here is the price for the blue line. Same thing, 17915.05. So this is the basic indicator that is already provided to you. Now you can see that this is separate from our chart, from our candle chart. So what if you want this part on the candle chart? So here you go, in the indicator function you go overlay equals to true. So now what this will do is it will plot this thing over the chart. So we will close it first and then add it to the chart. Now you can see the blue line is plotted here. If I hide the candles, you'll be able to see only the blue line. So this is the most basic thing in PineScript. Now we will see how we can make the moving average thing. Okay. So now we will remove this. Plot close, remove. Now we will initialize the two moving averages. So here we will take one fast EMA and slow EMA. Fast EMA is the one with shorter length like 50 EMA and slow EMA is the one with longer length like 200 EMA. So we will write here fast EMA and slow EMA. You can add as many moving averages you like. I'm adding only two here. So to access the moving average indicator in PineScript, we have to write TA. So TA is a namespace and using this TA namespace. So when you write TA and add dot in front of it, so here you can find a list of different indicators that are available here. So you will be able to find MACD, RSI. In this case, we will be using EMA. So we will write EMA, enter, source. Now we will write what will be the source for the EMA. So here the source will be close price, that the EMA will be generated from the close price. So we will just write close. It's that simple. You only need to write close to access the close price of each candle, comma, length. What will be the length of your EMA? So 50 EMA crosses 200 EMA. So for fast EMA we will write the length as 50. You can set it whatever you want. Now slow EMA, same thing. We will just write ta.ema close and here we will set the length as 200. Okay, so we have initialized these two variables. Now before adding the signals, we will plot and check it, is it working or not. So let's write here plot. So what we are doing here is we are plotting both fast EMA and slow EMA on the chart. So here we have written plot. Now the first thing it's asking is series. So the series is the EMA itself. So we will write here fast EMA. Next you can add the title. I'm not adding the title here, it's because it's not required. So I'll set some features but not all. So here at color, I'll set the color to color.yellow. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. Everything else is optional. The color by default is blue. You can set it or not set it. It's up to you. So another thing we'll plot is slow EMA. Slow EMA color equals to color, and this color we will set as aqua. And also we can set the line width. It looks better with line width 2. So I'll set it here. Line width equals to 2. Line width equals to 2. So now we have added the fast EMA, slow EMA and plotted it. So let's check is it working or not. So we'll update it on chart, and you can see that it is updated here. Here is the status. Now minimize this, and you can see here both the moving averages have been plotted. This yellow line is the 50 EMA and the aqua line is 200 EMA. Now you can see here exactly the cross under and crossover is happening. Now this will be helpful because now you know exactly where the signals should be plotting. So now we will put in the signal and check if they are showing here or not. Let's go. Now we will initialize two variables, buy signal and sell signal. So in buy signal, when fast EMA crosses slow EMA, the buy signal should be true. So for this, TradingView has a built-in feature called TA.crossover, and for sell signal there is TA.crossunder. So we will use that TA.crossover source 1 and source 2. So source 1 will be the faster EMA, source 2 will be the slower EMA. So and it's also mentioned here in like simplification, you can say source 1 crosses over the source 2, and for cross under it will be source 1 crosses under source 2. So let's put here fast EMA comma slow EMA. Same thing in the sell signal, we will just do TA dot cross under. Okay, now we have initialized the buy signal and sell signal, but we have not plotted it on the chart yet. So in order to plot it, we will use a plot shape feature. In case of plot shape, you have to enter a Boolean series, which is true or false. So our buy signal and sell signal are Boolean, because when this condition happens, buy signal will be true. When this condition happens, sell signal will be false. Now we will use plot shape, buy signal. So when buy signal is true, plot shape will happen. Okay, so now we don't need the title. We will just use the style, which style of signal should be plotted. So here we will use shape dot label up. Okay. Next we will use the location feature. Location equals to where, top of the chart, below the chart, below bar or above bar. So in this case we will be plotting it below the bar because it's a buy signal. So it will be location dot below bar. Next we will also put in the color. Color will be green as it is a buy signal. Color or green, you can set it to anything you like. Text, what will be the text on the shape which is plotted? So we will add as text equals to long. Next I'm setting the text color to white. Text color equals to color dot white. Size equals to size dot small. Now we'll just copy it, paste it. We'll do the opposite for sell signal. Write as sell signal, label down, location above bar, color red, text short, size small. So guys, this is how easy it is. Once you're good at it, you'll be quickly able to make indicators and help your trading. Okay, so now we'll update it on the chart. So now you can see the short signal and long signal have been plotted. So when this yellow line crossed the aqua line, long signal is plotted, and when the yellow line crossed under the aqua line, the short signal is plotted. So this is done. Now you know how to do this. The last thing remaining is how to add alerts. So now you go to the script again, and it is very easy. You just go right here, alert condition, and enter at which condition the alert needs to be generated. So you will enter here buy signal and another alert condition for sell signal. We will also assign titles to alert conditions because it will be useful later. We'll write title and title as long. Same with sell signal, title equals to short. So guys, this is it. Our script writing is done. So we will just update it on chart. Close this, just minimize this. So now to complete the alerts, we right click on anything, add alert on Nifty. So now in this part, you go here and select EMA indicator. Under EMA indicator, now you will find here two long and short. So long is the long signal we generated and short is the short signal. Now you can set the details however you want here and press create. So now your signal is created. So guys, this is how you create an indicator and add signals and alert to it.